reflecting the Filipinos' optimism in adversity. Its widespread popularity signifies cultural unity, emphasizing shared experiences despite of regional differences.
Once again, the grade 7 learners. Wow, that was very short but impactful performance. Thank you, grade 7 students. Next to perform are the selected grade 8 students with their dance rendition of the song Kinang Pilipinas. Kinang Pilipinas or Shine for the... Once again, the grade 8 learners.
Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay natatanaw. Sa biyayang umapapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. Sabayan, sa musika ay iinat ang katawan. Pagkain, sayaw, sining at musika, sumasalamin sa ating kultura. Pilipinas, tunay kang nagniningning. Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay natatanaw. Sa biyayang umapaw, kultura'y
Thank you.